Hello everyone, in this video I solved this exponential equation. This equation is 8 power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130, where find out what is the value of x. So let us start. Here is 8 power x. We know that 8 like is 2 to the power 3 bracket power is x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now according to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n bracket m is equal to a to the power n m is equal to a to the power m bracket n. Now if I follow these rules, this time I can say here is 2 to the power x bracket 3, just move on the exponent inside the bracket, and here is 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now look, here is 2 to the power x and this is 2 to the power x are same. This time I can say let 2 to the power x is equal to y. Now here is yq plus, remember that 2 to the power x is equal to y, so this is y is equal to 130. Now here is yq plus y. Now I move on this 130 in front, I mean here is minus 130. When I move on this plus 130 in the left side, where find out minus 130 is equal to 0. Now here is yq plus y. Now we find out minus 130, the nearest cubic number is minus 125, here is minus 5. Because of that, this is the cubic number, so I can say here is minus 125 minus 5 is equal to 0. Because of that, we know that minus 125 minus 5 is equal to minus 130. Now here is yq minus 125 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now I can say here is yq minus, we know that 125 like is 5q plus this is y and minus 5 is equal to 0. Now according to algebra rules, we know that eq minus bq is equal to e minus b times e square plus ab plus b square. Now if I follow these rules, this time I can say here is yq minus 5q, so here is y minus 5, this is a minus b, here is e square, this is y square plus ab, so 5 times y is equal to 5y, and b square, so 5 square is 25 plus here is y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now I can say here is y minus 5, this y minus 5 are same, so here is y minus 5 is common. So if I divide this term by in this term, we'll find out here is y square plus 5y plus 25, and y minus 5 divide y minus 5 is 1 is equal to 0. Now I can say here is y minus 5 times y square plus 5y, 25 plus 1 is equal to 26 is equal to 0. Where find out here is two term. First term is y minus 5. I can say here is y minus 5 is equal to 0, or other term y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. Now I can say here is y minus 5 is equal to 0, so y is equal to 5, and here is y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. We know that here is y is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now here is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 26. Now our first term is y is equal to 5, and other case here is y is equal to minus b. We know that b is equal to 5, so here is minus 5 and plus minus square root b square, so 5 square minus 4ac, a is 1, So this is 1 times 26 over 2a. A is 1. Now we'll find out a is equal to minus 5 plus minus square root 25 minus 26 times 4 is equal to 104 over 2. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Here is y is equal to minus 5 plus minus square root minus 79 over 2. 104 minus 25 is equal to minus 79. Now we'll find out y is equal to minus 2 minus 5 plus minus square root 79 times square root minus 1. So here is y is equal to minus 5 plus minus square root 79, and we know that square root minus 1 is equal to I, imaginary number. Here is 2. Now we'll find out the value of y is 2 term minus 5 plus square root 79i over 2 and minus 5 minus square root 79i over 2. So it is an imaginary number, it is a complex number, so it is rejected. I don't follow this value, and our first term is y is equal to 5. So we know that y is equal to 2 to the power x. Remember that here is y is equal to 2 to the power x. Now I can say here is 2 to the power x is equal to 5. Now I use both side log, so log 2 to the power x is equal to log 5. Now according to logarithm rules, we know that log a to the power x is equal to x log a. If I follow these rules, this time I can say this exponent move on in front. So here is x log 2 is equal to log 5. Now I divide both sides log 2. Here is log 2. So I can say log 2 is cancelled. So here is x equal to log 5 over log 2. Now if I use calculator, this time I can say here is log 5 is 0.699 and log 2 is 0.3, and if I divide, this time we are find out the value of x 2.33. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and comment my video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.